Yeah, I do promos.
Hey, man.
What's up?
Hey, what you want, slime?
Man, getting high. What you on?
Man, I'm chilling. I'm bored as a bitch, man. I ain't gonna lie. Say,
Hmm.
hey, man, look. You hear me, bake?
Oh, I still ain't follow you back. I thought I
No,
did.
man, say.
Man, I'm tripping. You my dog. I gotta follow you back.
Man, say. Hey, everybody on Hill, man, they be on this bitch Joe's and they don't be talking about shit.
They don't be talking about
I ain't
shit,
gonna lie,
dog.
though. Man, you be chilling on this bitch. They be saying a lot of, like, stupid ass shit. Like, when you get on the live, these be saying a lot of random ass shit.
For
Like,
real.
man, I swear I gotta stay away from this internet shit. Yo,
For
man,
real.
stay. Shit, chat though. What you on though, fo?
Nothing, man. I'm just cooling. What you on, man? What you doing?
Man, hey, 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 man, I'm chilling. Yeah, man.
Bro, you funny, dog.
Hey, hey, what your friend said? She said she want me to do something. I forgot.
I'm gonna have to ask her.
Yo,
I'm gonna ask her.
hey, shit, man. I'm trying to go. I'm trying to go live with what I'm finna say.
Who?
Hey, I forgot, man. You know what I'm finna say.
No, I
I, hey, man, what that nigga name? I forgot his eight. His name
don't. Oh no.
Rich. Rich.
Oh, Rich Porter.
Yo, Rich Porter. Man, say I gotta go live with him, man.
Yeah, you gotta go ahead. You need to do your shit. You know what you gotta do, man.
Yo, man, hey, you can't lie though. They be on this bitch joking on my mama. Hey,
For real.
man, say
Sometimes I don't even be paying attention to the
yeah in the
comments.
comment they be saying all the pussy ass shit, man. Say I ain't even said I was that nigga, man. All that lame ass shit, dude. You hear me? I ain't, hey, man, say stop saying it, lame. That stupid ass shit, nigga. I ain't said I was him. They be on this bitch joking on my mama. You hear me? They just be saying a lot of random ass shit.
You gonna hit this?
And then they just be asking a lot of stupid ass questions.
Yeah, they be tripping, man.
I mean, that's why you just be looking at it. You just be
I
smiling, looking
just
at it.
be.
You be looking at the comments. You gonna be saying nothing. You be,
They gonna pop their shit. You can't stop them,
yo,
man. They gonna pop their shit
man,
regardless.
you just be chilling though.
You gonna block their ass. They gonna find a way back to
Yo, and
pop
then they
their
create another fake ass page. I
shit. Yeah.
man, shit,
Somebody
man.
did that shit the other day. I said,
Yo,
damn, these people don't give a fuck.
shit,
Like, y'all
shit,
have all the time in the world just to make fake pages and talk shit about
and
it.
that shit lame as fuck. I be thinking they don't be got shit to do though. Like, how the fuck you gonna watch another nigga though? That
No.
shit lame as a
This a
bitch.
boy that sound just like him.
I on
He
slime
sound
like.
just like his
Man, I
ass.
say, why the fuck y'all get on live and just watch another person? though? That shit lame as a bitch, man.
And
Like,
then want to talk shit. Why the fuck is you following
yo,
me?
and plus I just be joking though. Hey,
Me
you
too.
know,
That's all. That's the
cool.
only reason why I go live. But why not entertain your followers? Look,
Shit,
why
chill though,
not?
man. You just be cooling on this bitch. They just be saying a lot of random ass shit. I be like, I just be watching. Like when I be on your live, they be asking you questions. You just be looking at the comments. You be like, man, what the? You just don't say nothing though. I be like, man, say why the fuck? They just be They just be saying a lot of stupid ass shit. But this how I normally talk though. I just be playing on the live, but I fuck with their
Thank
head.
you. 3 much, whatever. 3 much. That's your name, 3 much. My dad say he been fucking with the kid. Period.
Shit. Man, say
He showed his face the other day on here.
yo. I be showing my face sometimes though. I don't
You
like
got to
doing
get back on live later and show your face again for him.
yo. Most definitely know. Yeah, man. But like
Yeah.
I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think like what else should I do though? Cause like I went viral up this shit. I got like 1 million views on YouTube. Cause of this on some real shit. Like,
On
this
some
how I normally
video.
be talk. You hear me? But a lot of niggas be thinking I'm YB. I be no. I just a lot of people start song them though.
Thank you. Matthew, whatever. I can't pronounce. I don't want to say your first name wrong, so I'm gonna just say your last name. Huh? Get fat, swim. My girl out there swimming.
They say you look like YB. Man, we can't say all that. I ain't
But
him.
come back on my live later, man.
Yeah, almost definitely. You know, I got you though. Hey, you think I should put my face in the camera?
Yeah, go ahead and show your face tonight, man.
Man, say. Alright, cause I don't show my face on live like that. But I fuck
I
with you though. I'm
know.
gonna do that.
Just go ahead and show it tonight, man.
Man, you know they gonna be on this bitch. Man, they gonna be going crazy on this bitch, man. I swear. Man, you high as fuck.
I'm loaded. I'm finna put this bitch down in a minute. For real.
Say I can see. But it's good though.
Shit. But I'm gonna hit you back.
Alright, slime. Bet.
Alright, bet. One. That's how people be talking. That's how people be talking one. Why do they say one? One. Alright. One. He do show his face. I can see you. He showed his face last time he was on my live.